Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, and today we have a 2012 Mazda 3 Neo Sedan, stock reference number 4898. This shape runs from the 4th month 2009 through to the 10th month 2013. It has an LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by a automatic front-wheel drive transmission. LF 2-litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. We have the left-hand headlight. Left front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left power door mirror. Left rear door has one small dent. Left rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Left hand tail light. Left boot lid garnish. Tidy rear bumper cover. Boot lid has one small dent and is a bit faded on the top edge. Right hand boot lid garnish. Right hand tail light. Right rear 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Right rear door has one small dent. Right front door has two small dents. Right power door mirror and a right front 15-inch factory alloy mag with a good tyre. Driver side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black cloth interior. It's got a black leather center console lid, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heated controls, 6-stack CD player, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, and the instrument cluster. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.